site in Haifa, use of drones there. What a perfect segue. For more tech news and more stories about how drones are changing the face of the modern world, with me in studio, chairman and co-founder of the Israeli drone startup, ARTsys360, Meir Zorea. Meir, really cool stuff we just saw there.
Wow, one of the nice applications. Drones are changing the world.
Yeah, absolutely. And so ARTsys360, what you guys do, you really are on the cutting edge of radar technology and using radar for drones. Tell us more about it.
We are moving into a three-dimensional kind of ecosystem. We are now two-dimensional, moving with cars on the ground. We are moving to become a three-dimensional society. The tools are, of course, the drones. With every technology, which is very good and beneficial for agriculture, for any other applications, there is dangers. And the danger is that drones can become malicious. They can be using for a paparazzi, illegal video. It can be used for smuggling.
Sure.
It can be used for bombs. So you need to have some kind of a technology that will protect you, protect prisons, protect airports, protect power stations, protect this studio. And for that, you need to have something that will detect the drones, track the drones, and jam the drones, meaning stop the drones from conducting the illegal process.
And so what does your system do? How does it do that?
Most of the radar systems worldwide are military technology, which is very good, very expensive, but not fit for the regular user. If you want to protect a prison, you cannot afford a couple of $1 million system. It's not in the budget. So we are
or a small airport, let's say.
A small airport for that. We are a spin-off of the Technion. We got granted from the Baird Foundation, and through that we developed a revolutionary radar, which is low price. We are doing a 360 3D scanning, solid state, no moving part, and we are with a price tag that is second to none. We are probably the best cost performance radar in the market for commercial usage. $30,000 for an end user compared to a $300,000, $400,000 for military type radar.
So it can detect other drones, other UAVs in the sky, obviously can track things on the ground as well. I mean, this technology,
correct.
Really, this radar is cutting edge.
Correct. What we do, we combine in the same radar three venues. One, we detect drones. We detect people that might be an intruder. We can detect cars. We can detect boats. So in essence, it's a multi-function type of system with very, very cost-effective performance.
Meir, why is it Israel that it always seems to be on the cutting edge of the drone technology? Is it because of the need, because of how small and powerful and useful drones are to defend against threats, and there's a need for it? Or is it because, I mean, Israel is known as the startup nation, it's the next frontier, more or less?
So let me give you our story. There are 7,000 startups in the ecosystem. About 3 or 4 that are doing radar. Radar is extremely difficult.
Because it's so expensive, too.
Correct. For example, the testing equipment is $1 million investment for ramp so it's very difficult for a startup. Most of the companies that are doing radar worldwide are a couple of hundred people, millions and thousands. We are 8 people. We took cutting-edge technology from the Technion, one with the 3 founders, the inventor, and with 8 people, with the support of Baird, with the support of the Israeli chief scientist, we developed something that when people are coming to us, they're saying it's impossible that 8 people in 4 years develop something that is working like this. This is unique. First is the chutzpah. We are not afraid to do something that is crazy. I mean, 8 people radar, with the $4 or $5 million investment, looks like
from the Technion, are you going to Europe? Are you going to America? Where does this?
We have already the Baird Fund that gave us now a grant. Is actually it's a corporation, partnership with an American company from New Jersey, ECSI, and they are now going into the market. We need, in order to go to the market, you have to go to power stations, to airports, to prisons, etc. So the U.S.-Canadian market is the first one that we're targeting, but it's a worldwide problem or a worldwide opportunity for us.
All right, there you go, New Jersey, my home state, getting in the story here. All right, Meir Zorea, the co-founder of the Israeli drone startup ARTsys360, really cutting-edge, powerful stuff. A handful of people changing the world. Meir, thank you so much.